Italy, a beautiful country, full of history, a perfect place to relax, get away from it all, find peace in nature. Italy has a slower pace of life. Breathe the fresh air, enjoy the sunshine, forget your worries. From rolling hills to sparkling seas, Italy calms your soul. Discover its magic, relax and feel refreshed. Tuscany, a beautiful region that never gets old. Imagine rolling hills covered in vineyards and olive groves. The air smells wonderful. Herbs and wildflowers fill the breeze with their scent. Tall cypress trees stand guard, like soldiers watching over the land. Farmhouses are scattered across the hills. Time seems to stop. Enjoy a glass of local wine. Enjoy the taste of Italy. The Amalfi Coast. Amazing and breathtaking. Cliffs drop down into the turquoise sea. Colorful villages hug the slopes. The air is fresh. The smell of salt water mixes with the smell of lemons. Sunbathe on the beach. Swim in the clear water. Enjoy fresh seafood. Sip on limoncello. Listen to the waves crash against the shore. Section 4. Majestic Alps. Finding peace high in the mountains. The Italian Alps, majestic and amazing. Huge peaks touch the sky. Crystal clear lakes reflect the beautiful views. Breathe the fresh mountain air. Hike through green forests. Discover hidden waterfalls. Feel the peace of nature. Get warm in a cozy cabin. Enjoy hearty mountain food. Let the quiet of the mountains calm your mind. Section 5, wrapping up, Italy's gift of relaxation. Italy is a treat for all your senses. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the amazing Amalfi Coast, from the majestic Alps to the sparkling seas. Find peace and quiet. Let go of stress. Discover how beautiful nature is. Italy invites you to relax, to feel refreshed, to enjoy the sweet things in life.